All right, so today we're going to attempt to adjust the chain on my son's ZX6R. Yeah, we're out riding over the weekend, and every time we shift gears, I could hear that thing slapping and hitting the swing arm. So why not? Doesn't look that hard. I think I can figure it out. Remember, if I can do it, you can do it too. Come on. It is a beautiful bike, I must say, but as you can see, I'll lay this on the floor. That thing is looser than hell, and I am kind of upset that he did not catch that in time. You know, I'm afraid he's gonna strip out the sprockets or something. So let's attempt to tighten this up. I've never done it before. It doesn't look that hard, and Kawasaki was nice enough to give us instructions and the chain specs right here on the swing arm. All right, pretty simple job. This is everything you need. You need a 32 millimeter socket. Where's this at? You need a breaker bar to get this nut free. You need pliers to get this cotter pin off. You need 12 millimeters to hit the slack adjuster up in there. And when you're all done, you need a breaker bar to tighten it back up. I mean a torque wrench. And it's always good to replace the cotter pins, because once you straighten them out and then rebend them, they lose their, tension or mojo. So let's get at it. First, start by taking the cotter pin out. Just bend it back straight. Got a squeezer, and then it comes right on out. I spoke too soon. Look, there you go. Put our 32 on here. Make a glove. Remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Doesn't have to go all the way off, just enough so the axle slides. All right, that should be good. Right now, here are the bolts. The front one keeps it locked in place so it doesn't move back and forth. The back one you use to adjust it. So we're just going to loosen this one. Remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. All right, she's loose. Let's go do the other side. Alrighty, same thing. Alright, she's loose. And remember, you turn these a little bit, goes a long way. Or here, where this one's pretty much on the floor. You got your marker lines here. It's kind of deceiving when you look at it. We can line this up to the mark there. Alright, that's showing. Chain looks good. Let's check this side. We are at, yeah. I don't know why I did my thingy, but it looks like you're on point. I forgot to move the thing. Well, I think we're Gucci gang. Yeah, I should line that up. I don't know, she looks good. So screw it, we're going to tighten her down and go with that. All right, one up, one down. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Let's see anything over here. Let's double check. Yep. Let's do this one. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Okay. She's tight. Right on the money. All right, let's check the chain. You look now, yeah, we're good. About 2.5. And we're almost up to the 1, so we're about 1.25. And 1.25 is gonna put you at 125. Can't even see it. 90 point. All right. We got our torque wrench adjusted. Let's tighten this thing down. If she's gonna go. All right, there we go. Oh, right on the money too. See, the hole lined up perfectly for us to get our cotter pin in. Come on. All I got left to do. There, chuck a new pin in it. Oh, butterfly it out. Most people use pliers. I use my hands. Alright, looks good. It's tight. One last check right before the 4. And what we forgot the last time when we were here was some chain lube. Some shit I bought off of Amazon. I know it's good because it's PJ1. Let's do it right over in here. Alright, I think we're good. Then we went all the way around. Hot damn. Come on. I just want to thank y'all for watching. And, I've been a lot of motorcycle stuff, but I got some car stuff lined up. I got some big truck repairs lined up. And, hopefully we can crack into Worm and get a lot of different cool projects done. So, baby steps. They're supposed to be out here helping me. This is supposed to be their thing to get them off the computer and teach them some manly things, but I don't see nobody else out in the shed. Come on. So, till next time. Love you guys.